cutting edge of
There are better
Central American
places.
cuisine or something, you know, and some little.
Well,
That
I
is
mean,
not the
like,
best.
my grandma owns her own restaurant.
I thought you were gonna say, oh, it's probably a Campero. I think you're gonna say. Oh, I love your grandma's cooking.
But yeah, like she makes everything from scratch, and
Yeah,
so
you
it
can't
tastes
compete with that. Yeah.
so much better.
Yeah. I mean, you guys have tasted a hamburger from McDonald's before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One time.
I mean, it's barely food. I mean, really. You like dog
No, it
food.
isn't.
Alright. Actually, dog food's better. You ever had dog food?
No.
I had a dog treat before on
See?
accident.
Accident? I mean, accident. Your mom just like threw it to you. It's like,
No, she did not.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Is that back in El Salvador?
What?
Well, I mean,
Was
like,
that back
because,
in El Salvador?
No,
it's been
over
sitting
here.
Over here.
It was in a container that said cotton and candy, and I didn't know that the dog's
It
names
said
were
what?
it
Cotton
said
candy?
Cotton and candy, and I didn't know that the dog's names were cotton and candy, so I just
Oh.
opened it. I was like, why would it say cotton and candy? So
It
I
tastes like
ate it.
meat. Why would it be cotton
I
candy?
ate half of it, and then the lady came over. She was like, "Come on, Cotton, let's go candy." And I was like, "What? What?" These are dog treats, but they were shaped into mini cookies.
Yeah, I mean, dog food's getting pretty good these days.
Like, it is.
Right?
I mean, it was good.
Super good.
Let's be honest.
They even have like restaurant like dog menus
I know. It's
Yeah.
getting.
Where?
at
You
Ramshead.
got it right.
Okay.
Where?
Non-DC.
What?
Yes.
Everywhere.
I'm looking that up.
Everywhere.
Yes.
People
Can you
are.
name what?
People and their dogs are. I don't know what they're doing.
There are children.
Whose children?
The owner's children.
They're not people.
Yeah.
They're animals.
Right. So they're to be eaten.
But no.
Right, Luke?
Yes, they are.
Right?
I mean, like, okay, time out. If you think about it,
Hot
like,
dogs, right?
Yeah.
Big hot dogs.
Big hot dogs.
I have a question.
On a dog meat.
If I didn't have to eat kosher, I'd eat a dog. No big deal.
wait, I have a question.
Absolutely.
So, if anything that's an animal can be eaten by us, aren't we technically animals too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm way above animal. I am way above animal. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Just
I don't know
pet
about you.
Just pet lovers, not real animal lovers.
I'm way above animal. Yeah. If you compare me with the chipmunk in my backyard, there's no comparison. Let's be honest.
Anyway, the chipmunks are so much better.
It's better at jumping.
You're just mad you can't even
I
jump
wish they
high.
saw them at a
And
restaurant.
surviving in the wild.
I don't know about that either. I'll go out there and knock him down. I'll eat him right up. Right?
Yeah.
If he was kosher. Chipmunk's not standing a chance against a human. Because humans can just create technology. We have brains. Right? Their brains are like, they can't. Yeah, there's not too many of us like that.
What's the square root of E?
In this class. What's that?
What's the square root?
E.
E.
I don't know. You're thinking about eating dogs or something. So you need to find f of 1 over e squared. Whew. So that will be the root, like Roger was saying, of 1 over e squared. You guys don't really like dogs, do you? Come on, be honest.
What?
You don't really like dogs, do you?
I have
Wait,
a
what do you
type.
mean?
No, not food is anything.
Couldn't you write ln?
I mean, I have a dog.
It's -2.
Yeah, so
That's right, we saw that earlier. So this is the same as 1 over e times -2. So we have -2 on e, and that is our local min. -2 on e. There. Okay?
Wait, so it's -2 because the ln and the e cancel out, right?
That's right. And this is really up here as a -2 exponent.
Okay.
That's right. Now, this is the same thing we played over here. We did it for something else over here. Yeah, we did this -3 business, right?
Why is the square root of 1 over e squared?
Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of a square is the thing inside.
You couldn't take the square root of E from -2, could you?
Give you the same thing. E to the negative first.
I thought that would give you like, yeah, E to the -1.
That's the same thing as that. I've had to move this up here, so it's negative first. That's right. Same thing. I'm just trying to keep the power positive. Identify the absolute min and max if they exist. So there's no endpoints to this interval, to the function, right? It keeps getting closer and closer to 0. But it's never going to reach 0. And it keeps going further and further out towards infinity, and it's not stopping at any finite value. So you cannot apply the extreme value theorem here. So the only thing you got going for you is your one local min. Okay, your one local min. So does that guarantee that it's the absolute min? Okay, let me ask you a
Wait,
question.
you can't even do the third part because it's not included, right? And it's not.
Can't do the third part. Right. I
Okay.
can't check the endpoints. There's no endpoints to check. Is this, so the question now is this local min we found, this little over here, is that an absolute min or not? Let's think about it. We know the function starts out somewhere over here, right? Next to 0. And it says it's going down. If the first derivative is negative, the function is decreasing. So the function decreases until it goes to here,
So I
to its
think
local
it's the
min.
absolute also as
It's
well.
also
Yeah.
absolute, right? It's also absolute. It goes down, goes through this smallest value, and it goes up forever. If you're going up forever after this, you're never going to head down to a smaller value than this again, right?
Yeah.
So it must be the absolute as well. Having nothing to do with closed intervals or extreme value theorem, right? Okay.
Break?
It's
Yep.
like 8 o'clock already.
Yes.
Or almost.
Oh, we're doomed.
But
Make it to-
did we show, have we not learned concept yet?
Are you not what?
Have we not learned concept
We're not.
Soon.
Should make sure people get to this. If we have to do 4.3 tomorrow, we can do it. If we have to, we can fit it in. I hope not,
I'd
though.
rather not try and fit it in. That's usually my learning the least.
Would you say again?
So I'd rather we not try to get it in because my learning the least. We try to force it.
No, I mean like you gotta do 3
How many
seconds today,
units
3
do we have
seconds
coming tomorrow?
What's that?
I mean,
Just one.
Just push 4.3
tomorrow.
We might end up doing that. Yeah. Could
Especially
be.
if
Yeah, let's just
we
push
have to do one
everything.
section tomorrow, but if we only have one, then I mean, why not just push it till tomorrow?
You haven't seen that one yet.
We haven't done concatenating yet?
Nope.
Correct.
That's part 4.2.
Yes. You are correct.